The range is global. It's a compact mobile shortwave radio. And straight out of the box with just this antenna, you can listen to broadcasts from all around the world. I'll show you. So for example, this is a broadcast that's coming out of Spain. So we're at 17715 kilohertz. And we come over here and we cross-reference it. 17715. And you can see that's coming out of Spain right now. You look at AM, FM, single sideband, upper and lower sideband. And you can tune into the airband so you can hear what airplane and helicopter pilots are talking about. It just receives, it doesn't transmit. You can plug it in or run it on batteries. And you don't need any license to operate it. Really is a badass little radio. Click this link down here, check it out.